Hey visionaries, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shalia, also known as the Visionpreneur. Whether you're a seasoned subscriber or you're joining me for the first time, I am thrilled to have you here. As your passive income specialist and business strategist, I'm all about empowering you to create and maintain multiple streams of income because let's face it, financial freedom is the dream. In today's video, I'll be talking about whether or not you can use ChatGDP's images that you generated for commercial use and what that means, like what restrictions there are. So can you use ChatGDP's AI generated images for commercial use? First things first, let's define commercial use. Commercial use typically refers to using content such as images for business-related purposes where the aim is to facilitate revenue generation. It extends beyond mere advertising to include any use in a commercial context, such as product packaging, using images on the packaging of products to enhance appeal or convey information, websites and social media, incorporating images into a business's online presence to attract and engage customers, advertising campaigns, utilizing images in print ads, online ads, or commercials to promote products or services, merchandise, printing images on merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or posters that will be sold, and corporate presentations, including images in presentations or reports that will be used in a business setting. So when it comes to using AI generated images, such as those created by ChatGDP or similar AI tools for commercial purposes, there are a few key considerations. Number one, licensing. AI services that generate images will typically have a licensing agreement that outlines how you can use the images. It's important to review these agreements thoroughly as they will specify whether commercial use is permitted and under what conditions. Intellectual property rights. Since AI creates images based on a vast database of existing artwork, there could be concerns about the originality of the generated images and potential infringement of intellectual property rights. It's important to ensure that any image you intend to use commercially doesn't infringe on someone else's copyright. Representation. The images should accurately represent your product, service, or brand and not be misleading. This is especially critical for commercial use where consumer trust is essential. Quality and relevance. The image quality must be sufficient for commercial purposes, and the content of the image should be relevant to the product or service it's representing. Risk management. When using AI-generated images, you assume a level of risk. There may be uncertainty about the future legal landscape regarding AI-generated content. Staying informed about changes in copyright law and AI regulations is important. And then ethical considerations. There may be ethical considerations, especially if the images contain elements that resemble real individuals, which could raise privacy issues or concerns of misrepresentation. So it's essential for businesses to stay informed about the legal and ethical implications of using AI-generated images, especially as laws and regulations continue to evolve in response to new technology. Always err on the side of caution and consult with legal professionals if you're in doubt about the use of any images for commercial purposes. When it comes to using images generated by AI, such as those from OpenAI's DAL-E, which powers ChatGDP's image generation capabilities, the flexible usage policy typically means that users are allowed to employ these images for a variety of purposes, including personal projects and commercial ventures. Here's a little bit of a deeper look into what this policy entails and some of the nuances involved. Usage rights. As per OpenAI's latest publicly available information, before the last update, images created by DAL-E can be used for personal and commercial purposes. This means that you could theoretically use these images for your website, marketing materials, or even as a part of a product you sell. Restrictions. Despite the flexibility, there are restrictions to prevent misuse. For example, you cannot use these images in a way that creates or implies an endorsement by OpenAI or any persons depicted in the images. Images with people. If the AI-generated images include the faces of people, you must be cautious. There are ethical and potentially legal implications when using such images, as they could infringe on privacy rights or could be seen as implying an endorsement by the depicted individuals. Always ensure that you have the right to use a person's likeness for commercial purposes. Intellectual property concerns. There may be restrictions on using AI-generated images that resemble copyrighted or trademarked content. Even if an image is newly created by an AI, if it closely mimics existing intellectual property, it could pose legal issues. Moral and ethical considerations. Certain images may not be suitable for use due to moral or ethical reasons, even if they are technically permitted under the usage policy. Changing policies. It's important to note that as AI technology and its societal impact evolve, companies like OpenAI may update their policies. What is allowed today might be restricted tomorrow and vice versa. And then localization. Legal implications can also vary by jurisdiction. What is acceptable in one country may not be in another, particularly concerning privacy and data protection laws. So while OpenAI provides a flexible policy for using AI-generated images, it is accompanied by a responsibility to understand and adhere to the nuances of the policy. Always review the most current version of the usage policy. Consider the legal and ethical implications of the image's content and consult with a legal professional if you are unsure about the commercial use of a particular image. So here are some strategies for safe commercial use. Do your homework. Always check the latest terms of service and usage policies. Companies often update their policies, and staying informed is your best defense. Number 2 is seek legal counsel. If you're unsure or if your project is particularly sensitive, consult with a legal expert. It's worth the investment to protect your business. And then you're going to keep records. Document where and how you obtain the images and any permissions granted. This can be invaluable if questions arise later. While AI offers incredible tools to create images that can enhance your business and marketing, it's essential to navigate the legal landscape carefully. By doing so, you ensure that your use of AI-generated images is not only innovative and effective, but also legally sound and ethically responsible. So visionaries, are you ready to explore the world of AI imagery while keeping your business in the clear? Embrace the future, but move forward with knowledge and caution. And as always, keep chasing that dream of financial freedom. Wisely and creatively. Remember, the journey to success is ongoing. The landscape is always changing, and so should you. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and stay visionary. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Your support means the world and helps this channel grow, which in turn allows me to bring more valuable content your way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I'm here to support you on your journey to becoming a visionpreneur in your own right. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep building, keep dreaming, and keep making it happen. Here's to your success and the unlimited potential of the path ahead.